Dear students, so this class discussion on interpersonal relationship and group dynamics and networking. Then interpersonal relationship skills. So interpersonal relationship means between one person and another or one person to others. Courtesy and understanding of the people's views, opinions, points are two important aspects of interpersonal relationships. Situations where interpersonal skills are important. So interpersonal relationships are like the axis of central point on which whole the world rotates. If two persons do not understand each other, quarrel or fighting are the result leading to damage or separation of the two people. So there are the three situations where interpersonal skills are good: family, workplace and society. So family. A good family is a university. It is a place of knowledge, growth and development and cardinal relationships. So understanding between parents and children, brothers and sisters, husband and wife, all are essential for a happy home. So parents must be strict but kind at the same time. Then children must be obedient and devoted to their parents. They must help their parents in all possible ways. Among brothers and sisters, there should be proper understanding. Everyone must help the others. There must be a kind of give and take place and a spirit of sacrifice. Then, place of work. There should be proper interpersonal relationship in an organization. It is called team spirit or team building. Then, society. So, nobody is an island. So, we are all members a community or society. It may be a small village or a large town or a metropolitan city. So there are other people, thousands and thousands of them. You should understand the opinions, problems and difficulties of other people. You should try to help anybody in difficulty. If your young man or girl offers their own seat on the bus or train to a senior citizen, it is not a big matter, but it matters very much to build a healthy society. Then love your neighbor as you love yourself. This guiding principle summarizes all our theories about interpersonal relationships. We must respect people of other religions, other races, or the countries. The classes arise because the lack of understanding and judgment. Thus, interpersonal skills are the pivot on which the whole world rotates. Good interpersonal relations, good families, healthy communities, prosperous countries, and present world. Then next one, group dynamics or team building. Then group dynamics or team building almost mean the same thing. So team means a member of a people or animals who do something together as a group. So there are two concepts, situations in which the word team is used, like in a sports games. In a sports games, team refers a group of players who compete with other group of success. Football team, basketball team, badminton team, etc. Here, team spirit is very important. One of the football ground we can see each player passes the ball to another member of the team in order to gain a goal. So individual ego should be sacrificed so that team can win. A spirit because means team spirit. The next one, each for all for each. Each for all for each is the basic principle of cooperation. So it is the mean of idea of team spirit in the second sense of them. So the team building, we have any school, college, bank, government office or any such organization. Here also team spirit is important. The head of organization should be godinal, kind, courteous to the subordinates, other workers under his control. So there should be mutual understanding among the workers. Give and take policy should be adopted. You must be respectful to your superior officers. You must obey their orders. If they are wrong, you should be politely point out the mistake and convenience and correct them. Moreover, you should behave properly with people of your own rank. Don't try the boss over them. So you are all equals, nobody is above or below anybody. So all must work together the growth of our organization. If the people and organization develop team spirit, the organization will grow. You should also maintain friendly relationship with the people who are below you in the rank. You should not be authoritative in a rude way. If they correct you, you must not become angry but accept the correction. Then the role of the leader of the team. The leader of the team should be friendly to others. He must clear the misunderstanding among co-workers. If they quarrel among themselves, the organization will be ruined. The leader should show his power and authority, not in a rough manner, but in a gentle way. He must encourage the workers under him. Even if there is any mistake, he must not lose the temper, but correct his subordinates in the polite manner. He must also think a new plans of the new techniques for the improvement of the organization. He should be innovative. He must maintain the golden relationship with government officers. He must be ready to sacrifice his personal comfort for the sake of the organization. He must work hard. Then, thus, the team building or group dynamics refers to the cooperation of all the workers of a group. So, dynamic means change, liveness, the progress. Of course, there may be many small difference between the words team and group, but does not matter much. The next one, networking. So networking means people or companies or computers join together, do not sum what they share information. So there are the different types of networking. So networking is based of an idea of comparison and sharing. It avoids competition among the organization the same nature. So there are some networking. Then business network. The business networking includes manufacturers, dealers, and shop owners have their own networking. They agree to avoid cutthroat competition. They agree on common prices for things so that no one sells something at a lower price in a split of competition. So business organizations shares information about imports, export taxes, customer services, and so on. If a product or service is not available with one organization, they guide the customers to a sister organization. The next one, computer networking. So the computer networking, all the computers in an organization like bank, railway offices, transport booking offices, school, college are interconnected. This is one of the greatest achievements of science. In a Trichy railway office, you can book a ticket from the Bangalore to Delhi. In the same way, the bank in Coimbatore, you can get the particulars of your transaction in a bank in Mumbai. Then further networking, ATM, internet and email. So ATM, automatic teller machine, is a great boon to people. My bank account in Chennai, but I insert my card into the ATM in Hyderabad and withdraw the money. So internet. So internet is another miracle of the modern age. You can get any information about anything in the world. Latest news, travel guidance, business tips, general knowledge, games, etc. etc. Then all these are possible because of computer networking. And another one is email. So email is another aspect of internet. We can send messages to somebody in any part of the world. The message reaches immediately with Skype and web camera. We can see the people another part of the world and talk to them. The next one, wireless networking. Then wireless networking such as TV, radio, satellites. Then radio and TV stations in the world share latest news and information through wireless network. So what happens in any part of the world is immediately flashed over TV and radio, and the whole world comes to know about it. All these are wonders of modern science. Then satellites are responsible for all these wonders. Next one, another types of networking, such as school, government offices, then police departments, army, navy, and air force. So all these have their own network system. A crime is committed in Delhi, but the person who has committed the crime is arrested in Bangalore because of networking. Even taxi, the auto drivers have their own networking, and all of them got some travel charges. Conferences of scientists, political or religious leaders, medical or financial experts, or educationists belonging to networking. They are share their ideas, all members benefit. Even criminals, smugglers, bank robbers, murderers have their own networking and escape law or punishment. Thus, networking is an important concept. It helps members of organization and the general to public. So now the discussion time. Thank you.